A quiet evening at home turns concerning when a child's persistent cough begins to disrupt their comfort. Remembering an old family remedy, she reaches for nature's simple solution, a humble onion. She crushes the onion slices to release their juices, then adds a spoonful of raw honey, creating a gentle, time-honored soothing blend. A small spoonful is offered. The honey's sweetness carries the remedy gently. Within minutes, the throat calms, and the cough dissolves into peaceful quiet. A timeless comfort passed through generations, nature's quiet support for life's small moments.